Ever been charged $300 for something you could have fixed with a screwdriver and 20 minutes of your time? Yeah, I have been there. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop wasting money on basic repairs and start fixing your rentals the smart way. You don't need to be a contractor. You just need to know what to do and what not to touch. This isn't YouTube DIY fluff. These are real landlord repair secrets I have used on my properties, and they save me thousands. We are covering 10 of the most common repairs you will run into, and I will walk you through each one step by step. You will even get tips on what tools to keep in your landlord's bag. Let's get into it. Before we talk tools or repair, let's talk mindset. Because being a landlord who does DIY doesn't mean you fix everything. It means you know what to fix and when to fix it and when to call in for help. Here's what I go by. If it's plumbing inside a wall, call a pro. Or if it's involved gas, call a pro. If it's cosmetic, hardware related, or surface level, do it yourself. If it's an electrical problem, call an electrician. You are not doing this to prove you are tough. You are doing it to protect your cash flow. If you are managing multiple units, your savings multiplying fast. All right, let's build your toolkit. Here's my go-to toolbox for landlord. Cordless drill, start finder, utility knife, plumber's wrench, caulking gun, mini drain snake, adjustable wrench, flashlight, headlamp, level, outlet tester. All of this costs less than a single handyman visit. Keep it in your car or garage. Now let's use these tools to fix real problems. If you got a leaky faucet, 9 times out of 10, it's one washer or O-ring. Shut off the water under the sink, unscrew the handle, replace the washer. Done. A 50 cents fix, tenant will remember. Clogged bathroom sink. Skip the Drano. Unscrew the trap under the sink. A bucket underneath is your friend. Clean it out. Use a mini snake if need. Done in 10 minutes. Running toilet. Lift the tank lid. Look inside. It's almost always the flapper or chain. Replace them both for under $10. Tenant thinks you are a hero. Drywall patch. Small holes from the doorknob or furniture. Get a patch or a patch kit. Apply compound, sand, and paint. Makes your unit rent ready fast. Door not closing, right? Could be a loose hinge. Tighten screw. Adjust strike plate. Sometimes you need longer screw. Quick, easy fix that make a big difference. Outlet not working? Use an outlet tester. If it's dead, check the breaker. If it's GFCI outlet, reset it. 90% of the time it's reset, not replacement. Broken towel bar or curtain rod? Use drywall anchors. If it keeps falling out, move the placement slightly and reinstall with stronger anchors. Recaulking a bathroom? Old caulks leads to water damage. Remove it with a scraper. Clean the surface and apply new caulk. Looks new. Prevents mold. Replacing a light fixture? Turn off the power. Remove the old fixture. Match the wire. Black to black, white to white, and ground. Secure it. Add value instantly. Smoke detector troubleshooting? Replace batteries first. Still chirping? No problem. Replace the unit. It's 10-minute job and keeps your property safe and code compliant. Let's be real. Sometimes DIY is dumb. You are not saving money. You are risking a lawsuit or injury. So, electrical rewiring, get a pro. Gas leaks, get a pro. Sewer main issues, pro. Anything above 2 stories, pro. Know your limits. You are a landlord, not a licensed contractor. Want fewer repair calls? Do seasonal maintenance. Here's what I do. Springtime, check HVAC filter, gutters, and inspect roofs. Summer, test smoke detectors, inspect caulking, clean AC units. Fall, flash water heaters, inspect weather strippings. Come winter, check insulation, test heating, inspect pipes for freezing risk. Preventive maintenance is the best money you will ever spend. Landlords who fix their own units don't just save money, they stay in control. But it's not about doing everything, it's about knowing what to do and having the guts to do it right. If you have learned something today, like and subscribe. This is the Landlord Workshop where smart landlord learn to win. I will see you on the next one.